Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. When we look at the economical events plan for today is Jan 25th. Chinese banks are still in holiday. At 6 AM we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 2:30 PM we have medium impact news planned for euro related currency pairs. At 8:30 PM we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. Again we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs at 9:30 PM. We don't have any high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and when we look at the current price action in daily time frame, I've already drawn the bullish channel pattern connecting the previous lows and the previous highs, and based on this bullish channel pattern, the current trend is still in a bullish trend in daily time frame. And here we are noticing the price action to test this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern several times. Still we cannot see any bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. I've drawn a trend line or a support line based on the current price action, and this trend line also clearly states that the current trend of the price action is still in a very strong bullish trend. But we can notice that it is trying to break this resistance line. But we can notice that it is struggling to break this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, and it is forming into one consolidation within this support line and the resistance line from the daily time frame. Wait for a directional breakout either on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to enter into the directional trade in daily time frame. If you want to enter into the bearish side trade, wait for it to break the previous low, which is going to be around 1903. Next level of support is going to be the midline of the bullish channel pattern, and only when the price action breaks this midline also we can expect a further continuation of the bearish side trend in daily time frame. And also when we look at the price action based on the Fibonacci levels, it has crossed the resistance level of 0.618, and currently it is testing the resistance level of 0.786 level, which is around 1927. So it has to break this support level also in order to make a bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is taking support around the support level of 1928, and if the price action managed to break this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 2012. And if the price action fails to break this resistance line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start, and next level of support is going to be the midline of this bullish channel pattern. And once the price action breaks this midline, next level of support is going to be around 1861, 1814, 1768. And for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also we are noticing the price action to be taking support on this trend line or support line from the daily time frame, and it is in a very strong bullish trend. And also we can notice that it is consolidating within this support line and the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern. Wait for a directional breakout in order to enter into the directional trade in 4 hours time frame also. We have noticed several fake breakouts also happening, so wait for a proper candles to close below this resistance line in order to enter into the bearish side trade or on the bullish side trades. Don't get trapped in the fake breakouts. So now in 4 hours time frame it is under a consolidation. Wait for it to come out from this consolidation. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. we have noticed the price to take resistance on this resistance line and to trend on the bearish side retracement. Again, after breaking this resistance line, we have noticed it to retest on this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern and also to take support on this previous trend line or the support line, and currently we are noticing it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And when we look at the present trend also, it is again trying to form a bearish side retracement. So if the bearish side retracement continues, we can again expect it to take support on the daily time frame support level of 1927, and only when the price action breaks this trend line or support line and the support level of 1927, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. For now, the price action in hourly time frame is also on a bullish trend, but it is also consolidating within this resistance line and the support line from the daily time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is taking support around the support level of 1935. Once the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1931, 1927, 1922 and 1913. And if the price action takes support on the support level of 1935 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1941, 1949, 1959 and 1972. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this green color trend line or the support line. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a bearish trend, taking resistance on the hourly time frame trend line or a resistance line, and it is in a consolidation within this support line and the resistance line from the hourly time frame and the daily time frame. If you are a scalper, you can still be trading within this consolidation, but I would recommend you to trade with a very tight stop loss so that you don't make big losses. And currently the price action is trading within the support level of 1934 and resistance level of 1937. If the price action breaks this support level of 1934, next level of support is going to be around 1931, 1927 and 1921. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1937, next level of resistance is going to be around 1941, 1947, 1954 and 1963. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame. For the 15 minutes time frame, we have noticed a price action to take resistance on the bullish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame and to take support on the bullish trend line from the daily time frame. Again it has bounced back, and here we are noticing it to bounce back from the resistance line from the hourly time frame on the bearish side retracement. So it is consolidating within this support line and the resistance line in 15 minutes time frame also. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1934 and resistance level of 1938. Once the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1932, 1930, 1927 and 1922. And if the price action takes support on the support level of 1934 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1938 and 1942. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share your comments in the comment section.